Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Talk. In this video, we just learned how you make a diamond shape easily with one tool. Let's make it. First, you create your artboard according to your size, then go to view option and click show grid. In this way, you can easily make a diamond shape in couple of minutes. Okay, let's select the pen tool and click like corner of this box and select two boxes. Again, simply follow these steps and you can make a diamond shape in just few minutes. Okay, I complete almost the half shape. Now I click this straight line according to my artboard. Again, select this. Okay, then I move this point little much according to my size. Okay, align this image at the center. Now again select the pen tool and draw a point according like this from one corner to another corner. Okay, now again at center point make a small if you can see that this is the best way to make a triangle. Again, click the center part, make a triangle at center. Okay, simply drag it inside there. Now you can see all the parts of the diamond is created. Now simply go to shape builder tool, click the shape builder tool and make a simple click on every part of the diamond. So the shape is divided into smaller parts. Okay, now you can see if I change the color of the each part of the diamond, then you can see the difference between each part. Okay, let's see. Simple, select the part and change the color of that part. I make it little faster. Okay, now I simply select the base color so you can see my shape. Diamond shape is almost ahead. Now I simply change this part of diamond so you can easily view the diamond shape. Okay, again there is some difference. Okay, just like this you can make easily a diamond shape within few seconds. This will help a lot for beginners and for even a mid-level designer. Okay, you can change the color according to your perspective, according to your demand. As you wish, you can change this color of the diamond. Okay, I simply make this type of diamond. In this way you can make a diamond. You only use pen tool, shape builder tool, and first you must go to view and show the grid view. Okay, now your diamond is completed. I hope this video will help you for making diamond in couple of minutes. Next video we make another shape. Take care. Allah Hafiz.